Here's a real quick tutorial on feeding a package back to the station from your laptop through a LiveU unit. Here's what you do. Find the HDMI port on your laptop. Mine is back here. Take a standard HDMI cable, plug one end in the port, make sure it's in there securely. Then on the LiveU, find the HDMI port here. On the older unit, the 500 unit, the HDMI port is right there. Gonna plug it in and then give it a good wiggle and make sure it's in there securely, which it feels like it is. And then for me, just like that, the laptop screen pops up in the window of the LiveU unit. But if it doesn't pop up right away for you, go to your laptop and you'll notice that on the F keys in the top row, there's probably one with two monitors, like an icon with two monitors in it. For me, it's F8. So I'm going to push F8 and then this window pops up over here. We're going to select duplicate. That will copy the screen from both your laptop and the LiveU unit. So with that enabled, we'll go full screen on our video. And then I still got the time code down here, so I'm going to do Control G to make the time code go away. I'll call ENG. I'll say, can you roll on this package for me? I'll give them a test run to make sure that they see the picture and that they hear the audio. If it's good, I'll hit stop. I'll re-rack. They'll tell me when we're good to go. I'll move the cursor off the screen because you don't want the cursor in the middle of the screen. Move that off and then hit play. They'll record it back here at the station and then an editor can access it from the media encoder.
Okay, perfect. So